Hi everyone, we're ready to get started with a new project. I am starting this one off with a stencil. So I've already put the stencil on to save some time in this video. And I modified it a little bit to put some connecting lines in, things where there were gaps. I've, sort of used my pencil and sketched that in. The next thing you want to make sure you do is you get your little sticky eraser here and you're going to pull off a lot of this pencil because you want it fairly light so it doesn't show as much in the end result. Don't mind it showing a little, but I don't need it to be so dark. So I'm going to do this real quick. Okay, our next step is to pick some colors that we think are going to work well and get our paints going here. I know I'm mainly going to be focusing on reds and orange and gold. All right. I'm going to start with some small, fine strokes. I'm going to use a smaller brush. And we'll start, I think, up here in the body.
Cross you, I am not. This party sucks, I'm out of luck, and no one seems to get me here. They talk about some all the stuff that I don't even want to hear. The crazy part is that I didn't feel this way before I got here. I wanna be somebody, hanging with somebody. Can I be somebody?
Now, because I know this is going to take longer than the time period I have, I'm going to put on some music for you guys, and I'm going to speed this up. So enjoy, and I'll talk to you some more a little later on.
That
your skin, all in. You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your feelings bottled up inside. Heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors. Right. Moments pass, make this one count. Untie. You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Held underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around.
All right, I'm gonna let this dry, think if I want to make any changes, and I'll be back. Okay, this is all dry. These are our final results. I'm really pleased with how this came out for how few colors I used, which is part of the goal, I think, to try not to use too many colors. But it's fun. The fun with stencils is you can play with them and add and subtract whatever you want to get exactly what you're looking for. So there's my phoenix. My little firebird. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload more videos. Now, this is part of Friday with Friends, so please check the description box for all the links. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you all next week. Have a wonderful weekend.